comfort zone and he is going to present his level 1 speech, level 1 speech number 3. His title is Work from Home and Cybersecurity, the New Normal. The purpose of the speech of the project is to learn or review basic research methods and present a well-organized, well-researched speech on any given topic, what he likes to choose. I'm really looking forward to his speech for the very reason because I know he is going to do his best and his speech is going to be an outstanding speech of the day. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Madam Toastmaster Mamta. For the second speaker, we have a Toastmaster who decided to leave his comfort zone and he left his job to do a CA degree, which led to a secure career for him. Let's put our virtual hands together to welcome Toastmaster Rajiv as the second speaker.
Can I share the screen there? Allow me to share the screen.
Is the host?
Yes.
Yes. Rajiv?
Yes. Can I share the screen?
Yeah, you're visible. Audible and visible.
Okay.
You want to share screen?
Yes, I want to share.
Now, yes. Here.
Okay. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters. Once you connect to internet, you are either to mobile or laptop. You are the targeted victim for cyber security. But still, we are propelled to use the internet. Without internet, you cannot live. Even you can live without wife some days, but without internet, single days, no one can live. And I want to tell you one secret also. If wife asks, where are you? You can tell, okay, I am with client. But internet, it watch you every second. It track you every location, where you are going to restaurant, you are meeting girlfriend, everything it track you. So friends, next time we have to be careful because it's watching, somebody watching, and that's it. So my research subject is very hot subject nowadays because most of people working from home and the same times all depend on the internet and cyber. So same time we have lots of threats also. So now first, my discussion point will be the working from home, the new normal, then facts and figures for some security breaches, precautions to minimize the risk, and last but not the least, the conclusion. Friends, now due to pandemic situation, most of people working from home. But the working from home is really challenging also. So see the photo, we can see is somebody working home and he is caring for children, everything. Even for husband also we have to care food, everything. And the same times we have to work, the office pressure, everything. Same thing for the opposite side, the men, people. They have to take care of wife, have to sometimes to help in domestic and all these things. But still, some research said that, and some newspaper, that work from home may even continue after pandemic escapes because this all the employee and employer, they take benefit from it and they see their opportunity. This published in Economics Time. So because of dependency on the cyber and the internet, the threats of cyber security is increased double, or we can say. So what are the threats? I want to present some facts and figures. See, worldwide spending on cyber security forecasted to reach 133.7 billion in 2022. Then 62% of the business experienced phishing and social engineering attacks in 2018. Next, 68% of the business leaders feel their cyber security risks are increasing. Data breach exposed 4.1 billion records in the first half of 2019. 71% of the breaches were financially motivated and 25% were motivated by espionage. 52% of the breaches featured hacking, 28% involved malware, and 32 to 33% include phishing or social engineering. Regarding social engineering, I want to share one incident. This happened to me. So, 10 years back, I was very new in the Facebook user. So, initially, we are very excited to use. So, one day I got one invitation from one girl, saying some girl name. So, as you are generous, very generous, if you see any invitation from girl, we accept. So, I accept the friendship. But after some truthful chat, my auditor mind said that something phishing is there. And I realized the person who is talking with me as a girl, it was not girl, it was he, this man. From that day onwards, I don't use maximum the Facebook. I use only for the personal official use only, or those person whom I know personally. So friends, we have to be careful when we are dealing in any social sites. So we have to be careful, don't publish any personal information and things. Now we are coming to some breaches. 92% of the malware is delivered by email. So we see the phishing email we receive many times, like some lottery and like stuff. The average ransomware attack cost company 5 million. Now we'll talk about the ransomware attack. Recently, also attack happened, and 2017 it was major impact happened. In that time, Oman also was the victim. That name was the WannaCry and the NotPetya attacks. Many people know. In this ransomware, victim ask for the money because they take your data and they ask money. But they cannot take money in the bank, so they will ask money by Bitcoin. So after receiving the money, they will release the code or they will give data. Sometimes they will not give also, depending on them. Okay. So recently the Oman net also, it was down for some days. You can see the last 2 weeks back. Now it is normal. So now what are the precautions required to do? We have to back up our system locally and offsite also. Not only the cloud, offsite also, where there is no internet connection. Then early threat detection system, we have to always watch your detection. Then install antivirus, ransomware software, and regularly update that. Then run the frequent scheduled security scan. Create restore and recovery point. In case you face some problem, you can restore. So you have to create backup. Train your employees and educate yourself. The employee training is a must because the social engineering, all these things, we have to make proper training for employee and enforce a strong password and update regularly. And think before clicking. Don't open any attachment which we don't know the source. So we have to think before clicking and apply software or operating system patch. So always you should update the window and application programs to apply the patches. So now the last but not the least, at conclusion, from what all this discussion, we understand that we are facing we are totally depend on the internet. So we have to be careful and increase and always apply the procedures to avoid or minimize the risk, and we need to take precaution. So and due to the increase, now everything will be normal or working from home. It is the future. So we have to educate ourselves and enhance our skill about the cyber. That's all. Thanks, and over to you, Toastmaster of the day.